First things first, let's talk about what makes this beast tick. Under that sculpted hood sits an absolute monster, a twin-turbo V8 pumping out 640 horsepower. That's right, 640 horses ready to catapult you from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.3 seconds. The quarter mile? We're talking 9 seconds flat to 200 kilometers per hour. These numbers aren't just impressive, they're borderline ridiculous for a Grand Tourer. But here's where Ferrari really shows their genius. This isn't just about raw power. That V8 features some seriously advanced tech, including independent turbocharger control, precision machined lightweight components, and get this, the turbos can spin up to 171,000 RPM. The result? Instant throttle response that'll pin you to your seat every single time you plant your foot. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the design. The Roma was polarizing, especially that front grille that people either loved or absolutely hated. Ferrari listened, and the Amalfi completely transforms the front end. Gone is that controversial grille, replaced by a sleek technical face that looks like it's been carved by the wind itself. The new Verde Costiera launch color, this brilliant teal green inspired by the Amalfi Coast, absolutely pops against those sculpted surfaces. Inside is where Ferrari really shows they've been paying attention to feedback. Remember those annoying haptic touch controls everyone complained about? Gone. The Amalfi brings back real physical buttons, including that iconic red start button that every Ferrari should have. The steering wheel now feels like it belongs in a proper sports car, not a smartphone. The cabin gets a complete redesign with 3 displays, a massive 15.6-inch digital cluster, a 10.25-inch central touchscreen, and an 8.8-inch passenger display that shows G-forces and engine revs. Your passenger can actually feel involved in the driving experience instead of just being along for the ride. But here's what really sets the Amalfi apart: the aerodynamics. That active rear spoiler isn't just for show. It automatically adjusts through 3 different configurations depending on your speed and driving conditions. At 250 kilometers per hour, it generates an extra 110 kilograms of downforce while barely increasing drag. That's engineering wizardry right there. The handling? Ferrari's latest brake-by-wire system and ABS Evo technology means stopping distances are 9% shorter than the Roma. The grip estimation system is 10% faster and more accurate. Every corner feels like the car is reading your mind and adjusting accordingly. With a perfect 50/50 weight distribution and that 2.29 kilogram per horsepower ratio, the Amalfi delivers what Ferrari calls the perfect balance between adrenaline and everyday usability. This is a car you can drive to the grocery store or attack the Nürburgring with equal confidence. The verdict? The 2027 Ferrari Amalfi isn't just an evolution of the Roma. It's a complete transformation that addresses every single criticism while pushing performance to new heights. With delivery starting in 2026 and an estimated starting price around $275,000, this might just be the perfect entry point into Ferrari ownership. What do you think about Ferrari's latest masterpiece? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more supercar deep dives like this one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.